Welcome to Auraié. This is your 10-minute guided meditation to help you relax. Take a moment to find a comfortable position. You can sit upright with your spine long and relaxed, or you can lie down, letting your body completely rest against the surface beneath you. And let's begin. Gently let your eyes close or let your gaze soften onto a single point in front of you. Bring your awareness to the present moment. Give yourself permission to pause right here, right now. There is nowhere else you need to be, and nothing else you need to do. Let's take 3 deep, intentional breaths together to anchor your energy. Inhale deeply through your nose, filling your lungs with fresh, calm air. And exhale completely through your mouth, letting out a soft sigh. Inhale light, peace, and stillness. And exhale, letting go of any heavy thoughts or expectations. One last time. Inhale deeply and exhale, releasing the weight of the entire day. Let your breath return to its normal, natural rhythm. As your breath flows naturally, feel your body begin to soften. Bring your attention to the top of your head and let a wave of relaxation slowly wash down over you. Relax the tiny muscles around your eyes. Unclench your jaw. Let your tongue drop away from the roof of your mouth. Feel your entire face become smooth and calm. Allow your shoulders to drop away from your ears and let them melt downward, releasing any tension you've been carrying on your back. Feel this warmth travel down your arms, past your elbows, into your wrists, and out through the tips of your fingers. Let your chest loosen. Notice the gentle rise and fall of your stomach with each soft breath. With every exhale, your body sinks a little deeper into comfort. Relax your hips, soften your thighs, your knees, and your calves. Let all remaining tension leave your body, flowing down through your ankles and out past your toes. You are completely relaxed from head to toe, safe, anchored, and still. In this space of deep stillness, Imagine yourself sitting on a warm, smooth rock at the edge of a calm, glassy lake. The sun is beginning to set on the horizon, painting the sky in soft shades of lavender, pastel pink, and warm gold. The air is perfectly warm, and a gentle breeze brushes against your skin. As you look out across the water, notice how the lake perfectly reflects the calm sky. The water is smooth and quiet. Imagine your mind becoming just like this water. Thoughts may arise, but they flow past like gentle ripples, leaving the surface beneath them perfectly still. As the sun slowly dips lower on the horizon, visualize it gently carrying away any stress, overthinking, or worry from your mind. Watch the bright golden light melt into the water, transforming old burdens into pure peace. Repeat these gentle affirmations silently or softly in your mind. I choose to breathe in peace, and I choose to release tension. My mind is becoming as calm as the water before me. I trust the timing of my life. I am safe to relax, restore, and just be. Sit in this beautiful sunset glow for a few final moments, soaking in the quiet sanctuary you have created within yourself. Know this peace belongs to you. You can return to it whenever you need to. Gently begin to bring your awareness back to the physical space around you. Feel the surface beneath your body supporting you. Listen to the faint sounds in the room. Gently bring movement back into your physical self. Wiggle your fingers, wiggle your toes, and perhaps take a long, gentle stretch. Take one final, deep, loving breath in and let it all out. Whenever you are ready, slowly open your eyes, returning to the room completely refreshed, restored, and relaxed. Thank you for meditating with Auraié. Take this relaxation with you into the rest of your day.